To let project, many people believe that artificial intelligence thinks the same way humans do, that it understands ideas, emotions, or intentions in a familiar way. But that assumption is one of the biggest misunderstandings about AI. And once you realize this, the way you use AI and the results you get completely change. The core misunderstanding. Humans think through meaning, experience, and intuition. We connect ideas emotionally and contextually, often without realizing it. AI works very differently. It doesn't understand meaning the way we do. It doesn't have awareness or intent. Instead, it predicts what comes next based on patterns it has learned from data. That's why AI can sound intelligent while still missing the point entirely. It's not thinking, it's predicting. Why this causes confusion? Most people speak to AI as if it were another human. They use short prompts, fake requests, or emotional language. And when the response feels off, they assume something is wrong with the system. But the problem usually isn't the AI. It's the mismatch between how humans think and how AI processes information. AI doesn't read between the lines. It doesn't infer intent unless it's clearly stated. This gap is where most frustration comes from. How AI actually understands AI operates on probabilities, patterns, and structure. It looks for relationships between words, concepts, and context. When your input is clear and structured, the output becomes clearer too. When your input is fake, the result becomes generic. This isn't a limitation, it's a reflection. AI mirrors the clarity you provide. That's why two people can ask similar questions and get completely different results. Using AI the right way. The key is learning how to communicate intentionally. Instead of asking broad questions, define what you want, why you want it, and what kind of answer you're looking for. For example, instead of saying, "Help me with this problem," try, "Give me 3 practical solutions, assuming I have limited time and basic knowledge." Small changes like this dramatically improve the quality of the response. AI isn't here to replace human thinking. It's here to support it. When you understand how it works, you stop fighting it and start using it as a powerful extension of your own thinking. AI doesn't think like you, and that's exactly why it can be so powerful.